Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to understand the recent Instagram algorithm work on your iPhone or iOS. So the things you have to do here, the suggestion from me, you need to go into the search of the information that you can get those things to studies to, which is the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome you just need to type this plus button, and after that in the search button you just need to type a 2023 Instagram algorithm. When you click it, there will be pop up like a lot of informations related to the algorithm of Instagram. You can just read it like articles by articles and understand what do you need to do to like work with those algorithm. I actually learned several things, so let's do directly on our Instagram. Open your Instagram, and after that you just need to go execute what you already learned from your articles. So basically the recent articles say that the to reach or the way how the Instagram algorithm work is use less hashtag, because hashtag only categorize your content with the same content of worldwide people. So don't use too much hashtag to not confusing the system or the algorithm. So when you already have one content that you want to upload, for example, let's find the content first. This one, and after that you just need to go click next. You can also categorize, or you can also add several hashtag, but you just need to put one. For example, let's say you find one hashtag, just choose it, and that's it. No need to add more hashtag, because the more hashtag you use will be like confusing the algorithm of the Instagram or the system, so that your content will not gonna be like pop up into someone else's Instagram. That's the first way. And then the second way, you just need to go click a location, the locations. You just need to add the location, and after that add several music, and after that you just need to go click share. So that's one way to work with Instagram algorithm. So that's only one example of a bunch of example for executing the way of Instagram algorithm. So if you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.